What's up, everyone? We're moving on. PYT 33 of Honors Football. 3-boxer. This stuff has been loaded. This stuff has been fun. If you're a fan of football, this is your product. If you're like a big diehard fan, because you're seeing rookies, you're seeing your legends, you're seeing your superstars. This is the product for like a diehard football fan. It's rare that the focus is all three. Certain products, the main focus might be rookies or just legends. But this, it's like a fair, nice... Ooh, I feel graded. I feel graded! I feel graded. JT, Colts. To 70. Ooh, these base cards. We're going to love these base cards in person. Deshaun Watson to 20. We're going to love these base cards in person. Save it. All right, we'll save it. We'll save this box. And we'll show the first auto because I can feel the non-graded, and then we'll save the graded. Let me get the non-graded. Ooh, CD for the Cowboys. Ooh, and that looks like it's gold. To 5 of CD. 2 of 5 of CD. Nice hit, Adam. I don't even know who Adam is. Who's Adam? This feels like I'm playing the ball, like at the baseball games, the hat or the ball. Nice hit, Adam. CD to 5. Anyone get CD? Ooh, Jefferson rookie for the Vikings. To 70. There's Big Ben for the Steelers. All right, guess the graded auto for 8. It'll be the last card we see. There's a graded card. Be a Brady rookie auto. That'd be funny. Zach Moss for the Buffalo Bills. To 15. And then... No, I said this team can't be there. They can never be there in any of the breaks. If this isn't a joke, I'm not laughing. That this team can never be there. How about a 1 of 1 auto of Zeke for the Cowboys from Spectra? I don't know who Adam is, but this is your break, Adam. He has Zeke to 1 and CD to 5. What is happening? Zeke to 1 and CD to 5. That's from 18 Spectra. This stuff is too good! Oh, it's this. I saw it. I don't like seeing it. I saw it. This stuff doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. There's big hit in this one. There's a graded card. It doesn't stop. There's Higgins for the Bengals. To 70. There's Elair. This doesn't stop. We were setting up for it. To 25. That's Elair. Chiefs. Who's the public on in the Super Bowl? Yeah, like, who are they on? This is... No, like, I haven't been on in a week, so I don't know a lot of people. I haven't been on in a week. I think the top one's the one, and then we have the other one. How about Ozzie Newsome to 2 for the Browns? Ozzie Newsome to 2. 1 of 2. Nice. And then Justin Herbert for the Chargers. To 25. Wow. Wow. And then, who's getting this? This is so insane. Stop it. Just stop it! I see 9-5! I see 2012 certified of Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Bones! What a hit! What a break! Just take your 34s. This is insane. Wait. I'm scared to look at the numbering. The original numbering is probably to 299. I'm scared. It's numbered. Wait, is it numbered on the front? I guess it's just the original. It's the 499. I was scared. I shouldn't be scared. This is insane. You're hitting rookie autos of Russell Wilson? Like, what are we seeing right now? And it's that's a tough 9.5 too. That's not like a 9.5. That's a tough 9.5. Crazy. 34's next.